How does Venmo work? Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to quickly split a bill, pay a friend back, or send a gift? If so, you've probably heard of Venmo. But how does it actually work? Let's dive in and find out. Context: Venmo is a mobile payment app that makes it super easy to send and receive money between friends and family. It's like having a digital wallet right on your phone. But how does it all happen behind the scenes? Understanding Venmo's basics. Linking your bank account. The first step is to link your bank account to Venmo. This is where the money will come from when you send payments. Adding friends. To send money to someone, you'll need to add them as a friend on Venmo. You can do this by searching for their username or phone number. Sending money. Once you've added a friend, sending money is as simple as tapping on their name and entering the amount. You can also add a note or emoji to personalize your payment. How does Venmo process payments? Instant transfers. When you send money to a friend, Venmo typically processes the payment instantly. This means the funds are immediately available to the recipient. ACH transfers. For larger amounts or if you don't have enough funds in your Venmo balance, Venmo may use an ACH transfer. This is a slower process that can take a few days to complete. Bank partnerships. Venmo partners with banks to facilitate these transfers. This ensures that your money is safe and secure. Venmo's features and benefits. Payment requests. If someone owes you money, you can send them a payment request. This is a convenient way to remind them and easily collect the payment. Splitting bills. Venmo makes it easy to split bills with friends. Simply create a payment, add the recipients, and enter the amount each person owes. Venmo card. You can also use Venmo to get a debit card. This allows you to use your Venmo balance to make purchases at any store that accepts Visa. Venmo credit card. Venmo has a credit card option as well, which can help you earn rewards and build your credit. Security and privacy. Encryption. Venmo uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal and financial information. Two-factor authentication. You can enable two-factor authentication for added security, requiring a code from your phone or another device to log in. Fraud protection. Venmo has measures in place to protect against fraud and unauthorized transactions. Common questions and concerns. Fees. Venmo generally doesn't charge fees for person-to-person payments. However, there may be fees for certain transactions, such as using the Venmo card or withdrawing cash. Tax implications. It's important to be aware of the tax implications of using Venmo. Depending on your circumstances, you may need to report income or expenses related to Venmo transactions. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Venmo provides customer support through their website and app. Conclusion. Venmo is a convenient and easy-to-use mobile payment app that can simplify your financial transactions. By understanding how it works and its various features, you can make the most of this popular platform. End sharp. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Venmo, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy Venmo ing.